big gap on race invaders. Keep it up.
What's this 88? He's off on the station. I can't quite get him.
You'll get him.
Chicken hit the wall.
Copy that.
A little bit. Looks like the driver should be okay, you know.
Well, that part is good. Yeah, you hate to see that happen to anyone, but the guys that run clean and nice, it's even more disappointing to see it.
For sure.
I think it's the owner of the car that's driving the 200 SX.
Yeah.
Older guy with a gray mustache. Seems like that's the owner.
Do you have a tattoo of a duck on his butt?
Yeah, let me tell him to drop his drawers.
Because it's definitely the owner if he says yes.
Now, wait a second. How do you know he has a duck on his butt?
Kidding, I have no idea.
We are in second place and Hall Pass is in first place. You are 8 seconds behind him. Alright, now you're 4.8 seconds behind first place. Past the big elbows of BMW.
Their fast driver in there right now, so he's probably being aggressive and fast. driver is in there. He's about 6 or 7 seconds faster than their previous.
Full course yellow for something.
Yeah, you got another hour though, so no, nothing to take advantage of.
For an hour? Wow, my fuel gauge is low for another hour. Going less than a quarter tank right now.
Well, it's about 50 minutes actually, but the thing definitely burbled gas when I was filling it, so you were full. You were around 40 seconds up on second place, but who knows how this yellow will affect that. 127.6.
Hey, that was the end of my no traffic fun.
So you have the fastest lap time of the entire field.
The gas lights on, I missed our short shifting.
About 40 minutes left.
That's gonna be real tight.
So you need to make it about 10 more minutes, and you're actually still growing the gap by a little bit on second. You're up to 47 seconds.
So I'm half throttle and shifting at like 5,000 RPM.
And 4.
Got a buddy to follow.
Good, get that giraffe, increase them miles per gallon.
Yep, all I can say is, yahoo! Wait, is it you? Crap, I can't see it. Oops, it's you.
Yoo-hoo, have about 5 minutes to hopefully squeeze out.
I think I can do 5 minutes.
There sure are a lot of cars coming in with no gas, so hopefully you make it.
I'm running real lean right now. Can we come in?
It would be nice for 3 more minutes, but if we can't, I mean, we can always sit in the pits for a little extra long pit rather than having to do a driver change too.
All around for one more lap, but I was getting lean, just like cruising easy on the straight. So I'll try and get one more lap out of it.
Okay, that's fine, and then we can sit in the pits if we need to kill just a tiny bit of time so we don't go out too early.
Do one more lap.
Think you need to, Nate.
Hey, then I'm coming in.
Ready for you. Alright, we are currently in second place with 5 seconds behind Hall Pass.
You got a fast driver in Race Invaders, so you gotta keep on your top form like you've been doing to make sure you stay ahead of him.
Or is he behind me or ahead of me?
Well, technically he's 2 laps behind you, but they've got their fastest driver, so in theory they can catch us for the end of the race.
Or, thanks. We have something going on. I'm just about done to a corner tank.
Mine went by fast, don't worry about it, just push hard the whole time.
I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give her everything she has.
So you have the gas light on, it'll be below E, but just keep going. Invaders is 1 lap and 7 seconds behind you. Doing awesome. You've held them behind you good enough that they now have take me more than 7 seconds a lap faster to be able to catch you.
Oh, thanks.